Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to make a cool virtual tour with a simple camera. But first I can show you that there is many software to make photo stitching very easily. If you Google it, and on Wikipedia, comparison of photo stitching application, you will see that there is many software to do it. But for this test we will use one cool program software called Microsoft Eyes. Okay, just install it on your computer. It's running only under Windows, and choose the right version according to your computer. When Microsoft Eyes is installed, we have just to take some pictures of the scene. I have taken many pictures of the scene. This is the first one, and you have to take some pictures round around the scene, and be sure that you have some part of the preview image to make your virtual tour. So as you can see, we have a preview part of the image. Next one, next, and next. So you do that for all your scene inside and outside the house, and launch Microsoft Eyes. This is the interface of Microsoft Eyes. You select the first image of the scene, the same scene. You keep on hold on the shift button, yes, the shift button on your keyboard, and select the last one of the list of the same scene. So we'll see that all images have been selected, and you drag all images on software. And the software will recompose the whole scene with all images in only one panoramic image. That's it. Now we've got to crop some wrong part of the image, and there is automatic cropped, and the image is cutted. You can let the quality to this setting, and you will see also that this picture is very big. We can resize it and change it to 360 pixel, 360 pixel, and it's now very light, and export these pictures on your compute any further. Yes, okay, just checking the image. Yes, our panoramic image is done. And now you do that for all your scene inside the house. So you have seen that it's very easy to do it. And I've done all the scene. First scene and the next one. Let's go on VisiteWeb. On VisiteWeb you must create an account. When it's done, you must be logged on the website. Just put your user and password and just click connection. Now the link for creation is there, and you click on it. Just fill the form So after filling the form, we've got the uploader. Just click on the add button and choose all images for your tour. Select the first one of the list, hold down shift button on your keyboard and select the last one of the list. We can upload 40 images, normal images and panoramic images as well. Select now, open. Now we've got to check if all images are on the right side. For this example, this image must be turned. So select it and turn it. And continue to check for the last of the list if all images are on the right side. Now we have to put, for example, this image first on the list, and we click on this button, and this image will be used for the listing. We have 3 normal images and 3 panoramic images. Just click on upload. We've got a warning message and click yes. The uploader compress, resize and upload images in one way. Now just click on OK to start to create your tour. This is the GUI. First select your language, and we've got another warning message. User must blur some part of image to hide all distinctive signs to respect privacy of individuals. He must blur faces, car license plates and advertising. Just click on continue. On GUI we've got 3 parts. The working area, the list of images and the tools. First we have to delete the image for the listing. We have no need of it to create our tour, so select it and delete it. We will start for the tour on the outside. Select the image. The first thing to do is to rename the image. Select the drop list and choose the right name. You can also click push on your keyboard the first letter of the name, and it will display automatically. So the image have been renamed. We can put comment here. Choose the speed scrolling and the direction to start scrolling. It start left to right or start right to left. We can check it with the status button. And we can also move the panoramic image manually. Just click on the image, hold down the click button and drag it left to right or right to left. Now we can add an arrow, click on move, move it, and click again to drop it. Now we have to choose a destination image between the stock. This image have been associated to this arrow. We can move on. Just click on the arrow and again the same manipulation. Rename the image, put arrow on it, and choose a destination image. This eyes is used for another scene, another point of view on the same scene. We've got a green back button. If you click on it, you come back on the preview image. We have to blur some part of the image. For this example, I will blur this part. I just click on this tool, move it, and blur this area. We can also put a compass. Just click one time, move it, and click another time to drop. You can adjust the compass or delete it. Okay, as I said, when all images have been renamed and you have done the same manipulation for all your scene, rename image, paste an arrow, assign image destination, blur some part of the image. We've got a continue button. Just click on it. Your virtual tour is over. Yes or no if you want to make change. Okay, that's the last thing to do. We can share our pro link on Facebook, Twitter, Google, LinkedIn, and Windows Messenger. We can also share our virtual tour into any professional website. Just select the right button and generate the code. This code must be copied and pasted into any website. Just select it and make a copy and paste it into your website. This code will display the chosen button, and when user will click on it, it will display your virtual tour into your professional website. On your listing, you've got also some information you can change. You can change the price and see a counter of visit, counter in, counter out, and a copy link that you can also generate the code for your professional website. Okay, that's the end, and I hope that we will do a great tour and it will be very helpful for you. See you, bye.